Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let us see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that in a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So in the question it is given that in a right triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Okay guys, it looks like the question is very simple and straightforward. Let's see how to proceed. So as per the question it is given that in a triangle ABC, right angled at B. So we have drawn a triangle ABC and right angled at B, and the other thing that is they have given is like tan A is equal to 1. So they have given tan A is equal to 1 and we need to verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Okay, so we need to verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. That means we need to prove 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Okay. Now, as per the question, it is given that tan A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to 1. Okay. So, guys, tan A is equal to 1. That means I can write tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A, or in other words, side opposite to the angle A, like BC, upon side adjacent to angle AB. That means I can write tan A is equal to, in other words, I can write tan A is equal to BC by AB. Okay, but they have given that tan A is equal to 1, so I can write BC by AB is equal to 1, or I can say BC is equal to AB. Okay, how? Because BC is equal to AB, just moving AB to the right side, I got that BC is equal to AB. Now let us assume that BC is equal to X. Okay, let us assume that BC is equal to X. Okay guys, so I am assuming BC as X. Okay, if BC is X, then AB will also be X. Why? Because BC is equal to AB. Okay, so if BC is equal to X, then AB will also be X. AB will also be X. Okay, if BC is equal to X, then AB will also be X. That is what we have done. Now let us let us find out the value of AC using the Pythagoras theorem. So I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so here I use the Pythagoras theorem and I have taken this one, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Or I can write AB square is nothing but X square and BC square is nothing but X square. So I can write AC square is equal to X square plus X square. Guys, I believe till here we are pretty clear, because AB square is X and BC square is also X. So that means AB is X and BC is X. So AB square is X square and BC is also X square. So I can write, in other words, AC square is equal to 2X square. Okay, or I can say AC is equal to root over of 2X square. Okay, or I can say AC is equal to X root 2. because x square root over is x, then I am left with only root 2. So SC is equal to x root 2. Now guys, now moving on to the real situation, 2 sin a dot cos a is equal to 1 we need to prove. Okay, now let us pick up this one. Okay, so left hand side is equal to 2 sin a dot cos a. Okay, now guys, sin a is nothing but sin a, that means this one opposite to like BC by hypotenuse. Okay, so here we got SC is equal to x root 2. Let me write it here, x root 2. Okay, now sin a is nothing but that is equal to 2 into BC by sin a is nothing but 2 into BC by SC. Guys, I believe we are pretty clear till here. Into, because sin a is nothing but the angle opposite to angle A, the side opposite to angle A, that is BC upon hypotenuse, that is SC, into cos a. Again cos a is nothing but side adjacent to angle A, that is AB upon hypotenuse. So I can write AB by AC. Okay, now guys, replacing the values what we have in place, let's see, that is equal to 2 into BC is x upon x root 2 into AB is x upon x root 2. Okay, guys, just solving this equation, just I am solving this equation, that's all I am doing. Now if I write, then it becomes 2. So this if you see, this x will cancel with this x will cancel with this x, so we will be left with 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. So these two will cancel, that is equal to 1. So that is equal to RHS. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. That's all guys, this is what we are looking for. Hope guys you understood this process or this calculation. This calculation is very easy and very straightforward. So I am able to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side, because left hand side I took 2 sin a dot cos a, so that is equal to 2 into BC by SC into AB by SC. Now replacing the values of BC, SC and AB, I am able to solve this equation and I found that is equal to 1. So this is nothing but this one is in the right hand side. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. But still, if you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.